Do you want to know how you can log into your Rite Aid payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Rite Aid payroll account. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC. Go to the search bar to search for Rite Aid payroll login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen as it is called Rite Aid. This is this link. So after you click on it, you can see that it will take you to the official login portal of Rite Aid. The first step is to write down your user ID or your email address in the first box. After you have written it down, go to the second box, and the second step is to write down your password associated with your account. Then you can check your password. And the third step, which is the final one, is to click login. Clicking on login will have you sign in to your Rite Aid payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password or want to change your password, go ahead and click on these links, and if you have forgotten your user ID, this is the link for you. I hope this video about how you can log into your Rite Aid payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.